Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel Legendary Updates. So yesterday I made a promise that I was gonna make a separate video on how to send your dogs token straight to your bank, your local bank accounts, right, whereby you can have it as a physical cash, right. So first of all, before I continue, I would like you to go back and watch the previous video so that you will be able to convert your dogs token to USDT. So because this video I'm about to do now, you will have to convert the dogs token to USDT. Okay, so I'm going to pin the link to that video right there in the comment section and also in the description. So watch that video. All right, so before you think of watching this one, you need to carry out that particular process so that you can convert your dogs token to USDT before you continue with this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in into today's video on how to transfer dogs token to your local bank. Let's dive in. Alright, so right now I believed you might have converted your dogs token to USDT. Alright, so the next thing we need to do here is to click on this asset. Okay, so once you click on this asset, you can see this is the numbers of USDT right here. Okay, so the first thing you need to do here, make sure your asset is on funding. Make sure you have transferred everything to funding. It shouldn't be on unified trading, so take note of that. So once you are done doing that, the next thing you need to do here is to click on deposit right here. So you click on the deposit button here and you can see right here they have here P2P trading, Bybit, Naira. So what we are doing here is using P2P. So you can see under P2P here they write bank transfer, OPay, PalmPay and more. So this simply means if you are using OPay and the other accounts, you can actually make this transaction here. Okay, so I'm go ahead and click on the P2P and this is it. You can see right here P2P trading. Right here you can see a lot of people are here who are to buy and sell, and if you check right here, I am on the buy button. Okay, so since you are not here to buy, you are here to sell, so you go ahead and click on sell. Right, so you can see right there. And another thing here, since you are here to say USDT, you can see there are USDT, USDC, BTC, Ethereum. So make sure you are on USDT, and depending the country you are selling this to, okay, you can see right here, you can see they have different kinds of currency right here depending your country. So make sure you select your country currency. So for here I am using Nigerian currency for this tutorial, so let's go. Alright, so guys, right here you can see right here we have a lot of people right here who are here to buy your USDT, and you can see their prices. And another thing you need to take note of before you think of doing anything here, most of these guys here, most of them are not reliable. And right here you can see, so what you need to do here is to make sure you filter the kind of people you want to trade with. Okay, so if you come here you will see this filter button, so you click on filter and you can see right here show only verified advertisers, show only eligible ads. Okay, now the show only verified advertisers are those kind of people which you will have to trade with without any atom of fear. Okay, now the second one there, show only eligible ads, are those kind of ads which you are eligible. Like you can see these ones here ineligible. That is because you have not met the requirements, you understand, to trade with these people. So you make sure you tick on these two things here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on confirm. So you can see right here, everyone here, you are eligible to trade with them, right? So you can sell your token. And guys, another thing here you need to take note of is quantity. You can see like the very first guy right here, you can see the person is online. So when doing this, you must always deal with people online at that moment. So another thing you need to take note of there is the description right here. So you can see the guy right there. After the price tag, the next thing there is quantity and limit. So this simply means this person can only buy from 700 USDT, and the limit there is 150.00k. that is in Nigerian currency. Okay, so those are the things you need to take note of, because if I'm to sell to this particular guy now, because right, what I have here is only about 29 USDT. So if I'm to put the amounts right here, you can see that the value is below the lower limits minimum. You can see right there. So that simply means I will look for another buyer. So you go ahead and search for the people with according to the numbers of USDT you have there. So I will keep scrolling down to you can see this particular person here is buying at the rate of 1,557 naira, and the quantity there is $21, and you can see right there, and the limit is 30k to 300k. That is in naira. Okay, so this person right here, I can trade with him. And guys, another thing you need to take note of here is the order percentage. You can see this person has delivered 3,644 orders so far, which is 95%. So this simply means you can trade with this person. So you go ahead and click on sell. All right guys, so from here you can see we are trading with crypto. So the first, you can see right there USDT, and they are asking you to input the amount of USDT which you want to sell. So guys, from here the first thing you need to do is to select the quantity of USDT which you want to sell. So let's say for example I want to sell 29 USDT. Okay, so you can see this is the amount I'm gonna receive in naira, 45,581 naira. Okay, and guys, the next thing you need to do here, don't forget here we are using bank transfer. So you click on here, right? Although before you get to this point you will be asked to add your payment method. Okay, so since I already have mine here, you can see I have already added mine. So what you need to do here, once you click on payment method, okay, you make sure you add your full name, I mean the way it is on your bank, and also input the bank name. And guys, that is it. So once you are done with that, don't forget, you can see right here the payment duration for this transaction is 30 minutes. So whatsoever you are doing here should be ready before 30 minutes. Okay, so the next thing you have to do here is to click on this. Guys, here I am not selling anything, I'm using this as example. So you click on this say. Once you click on this say, the person is going to receive, okay, and the person is going to send you your money within few seconds. Okay, before you release your USDT here, make sure you have checked your bank account that the money is there. Now once you are done confirming, come to this app and you'll see where they will ask you to release payment. So you click on release payment, and that is it. All right, so that is a step-by-step guide on how to trade here on Bybit via P2P. So that is the process. And before watching this video, make sure you watch my previous video so that you can know how to convert your DOX token to USDT. All right, so guys, thanks for watching this video. I believe this video was valuable. So if you have watched this video to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you keep getting notified whenever I post content like this. So see you in my next video.